By automating processes and tasks in your IT environment, you alleviate a lot of the administrative overhead when it comes to managing these tasks, and also you remove the risk of any errors. In this video, we're going to look at Orchestrator integration. Orchestrator is a process automation solution for the data center. It's part of the System Center suite. So in this video, we're going to look at an overview of Orchestrator, how to or integrating Orchestrator with Operations Manager, and monitoring Orchestrator with Operations Manager. Orchestrator, as I mentioned, is a process automation solution for the data center. Its primary function is to provide a method of automating and managing processes and tasks that are usually performed manually or by using a script or a batch file. Now, Orchestrator integrates with other System Center products. I always say that Orchestrator is kind of the glue that ties all of the System Center products together because it integrates with the majority of the System Center products through components known as integration packs. And integration packs just provide links to activities and actions within that integration. Now, Orchestrator provides integration packs for Configuration Manager, Data Protection Manager, Operations Manager, Service Manager, and Virtual Machine Manager. These integration packs provide activities that can automate some common tasks. Uh, Whenever you install Orchestrator, there are 42 activities that get installed. Some activities such as restarting a system, running a .NET script. Under the file management task, you can copy a file, delete a file, you can create a file, you can monitor processes and services, and that just provides automation through Orchestrator runbooks. Whenever you create an Orchestrator runbook, you open up or a runbook designer, and when you open up runbook designer, it gives you kind of a Visio kind of feel to it, where you will drag and drop activities onto your designer workspace, and then you will link these activities together to create your automation. When you open up the Runbook Designer, you'll see a list of activities in your right pane over here. Under System Activities, I can end a process, restart a system, run a program, slide over, save an event log, start or stop a service. Some of the scheduling tasks you can check a schedule or check time or date. These scheduling tasks are used with your links and also with your actual runbook, so you can actually schedule a runbook. Some of the monitoring you can do, you can get an IP address, you can get disk space, monitor a service or a process. Some of the file management tasks that you can get, trying to, I am trying to open, there you go, that allows me to open this. Some of your file management tasks, you can compress a file, copy it, create a folder, move a file. Your emails, you can send an email notification, send an event log notification, a syslog notification. Some of the utilities, you can map a network drive or disconnect a network path, get dial-up status, query a database. You can even do an query an XML query, create an XML query, or even transact SQL. Some file management tasks, append, delete lines, find text, insert lines inside a text. And once you install your integration packs, you see I have some other activities under Active Directory, Operations Manager, Service Manager. Some of the AD tasks, you can create users groups and computers and add users to groups. Under your Operations Manager task, you can create alerts, you can monitor alerts, start and stop maintenance mode. Um, so these runbooks, whenever you create them, they just provide a method of grouping these activities together, linking these activities together to perform your automation. To integrate Orchestrator with Operations Manager, you have to perform some tasks first. Um, on the computer hosting the Orchestrator Deployment Manager, register the Operations Manager Integration Pack. On the computer that's hosting the Orchestrator Deployment Manager, deploy the Operations Manager integration packs. And on the computer that's hosting the Orchestrator Runbook Designer, you need to configure the connection to Operations Manager, and also you need to install the Operations Manager console on that machine also. To ensure that the orchestrator environment is available and performing at peak levels, you should install the Operations Manager Management Pack for Orchestrator. And this management pack provides health and availability monitoring of Orchestrator components. The Orchestrator Management Server, it includes the management server service along with the database connections, the Orchestrator Runbook server, including the runbook, the remoting services, and the database connections, along with the Orchestrator web component, including the health rollup of the Orchestrator web components. So after installing the management packs, you'll get a number of monitoring views that are available in System Center Orchestrator folder. If you open up the monitoring pane in Operations Console, you'll see active alerts. So this will display any active alerts related to your Orchestrator environment. The components displays a diagram view of your orchestrator environment. Your management servers will display the health of all of the orchestrator management servers in your environment. The runbook servers displays the health of your orchestrator runbook servers. And also you can use this view to determine which runbook servers are in a critical or warning health state. The runbook target displays the health state of each runbook target in Orchestrator, and you can use this view to kind of troubleshoot any kind of failed runbooks by viewing the health state of the runbook that's associated with the target. Your web components will display the health state of the Orchestrator web console, and under the operating system, that provides a number of operating system performance counters like available memory, logical disk, Q-link, and percent processor time. And these can be added to your performance dashboard if you wish to include them in your performance dashboard view. Now, in addition to your Orchestrator management packs for Orchestrator, it's recommended that, of course, you also install other management packs such as your Windows Server Operating System Management Pack, the SQL Server Management Pack, and the Management Pack for IIS. This concludes our video on Orchestrator integration.